It is myself, the talented, ever so wonderful Miss Stephanie. We are going to share with you what we taught our weekly Thursday West Coast Swing class here at Nick's Nightclub. This is actually a tuck turn, but unusual, so it's an unusual tuck. Remember, a normal tuck turn with West Coast is with the leaders left, followers right, and come in off the track, give it a tuck, send it through. You can also do one-hand tuck if you want. There's a billion different ways to do a tuck turn. This, though, is an unusual way. How it begins is after the sugar on the 5 and 6, leaders, you're going to put your left hand into the follower's left. And by doing so, you're going to move over to her left on the right. So you want to be a little bit out of her way for the next part. So just real quick, just so this makes a little more sense. I'm in front of her, but then when I switch hands, I move over so I get a little more room than myself for what's coming up. From there, sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is led like a normal tuck. It is different because of the way you got these hands. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to have to do an adjustment with your arms, guys, and your hand, just because you're not used to this grip. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I got to rotate my wrist, get to the palm-to-palm connection, and make sure you can press. So maybe she follows and does the finish of the tuck. Sometimes if you don't get the hand grip right, this doesn't work. So on 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now by 4, I'm moving towards her. Stephanie's moving down the track with her weight on her right foot, weight's on my left foot. So we're going to get to 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now as she's going through, I'm going to take my right hand and move it to 5 and 6, the back of the right arm. So I'm crossing the track, and I'm making sure that I connect with the back of her right shoulder, upper arm area. So going this way, front to back. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now she's crossing. I switch hands here at 5 and 6. So I'm really off the track. Weight on my right foot, and she's done a half turn to her right to finish that. So after the sugar, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now I'm going to let go of her left hand that I used to begin with this move. And now I'm just holding her shoulder. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I pull her forward onto her left foot on 6. Guys, stay off the track. She does a triple down the floor, triple step, and triple step. Get out of her way, give her a little push. Let's not push, just to make sure she follows through with that. So again, with the left to left, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bring her forward, send her through, triple and triple. Okay? So we'll go this direction. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And get off the track, send her through, and move us down. So you got to get under the arm, you got to get connected to the back of her arm, and then you're finished. So the whole thing, unusual tuck, sugar push, left to left, move over, 1, 2, change hand position, under the arm, set her through, move it down. Haven't done that one in a while. It's a cool move, it's unusual, especially for a follower who's not used to that left to left connection. But it's a fun move. Good way to get into it, good way to get out of it. Thank you, Miss Stephanie. Thanks, guys. As always, your support, we love it. Click subscribe for a free video next week. We'll have something for you. Until next time, have a great week and keep dancing.